Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Strava. You will go to settings as you send, you will click. Here on this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Strava and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next